Hi, hello, this is Jenny. So, very good morning. So, today's first lecture is fundamentals or basics of computer. So, already I said computer is an electronic device. So, we are going to store some information and fetch information from the database or server. Okay, so that means that word compute means calculate. Okay, so we are going to do calculations and mathematics service in this computer also. So computer is a specific, technically we can say COMPUTER, which means commonly operated machine, particularly used for technical, educational, research oriented. Okay, so for this information we are going to see in this computer. And then next chapter, in this fundamentals, we are going to see multitasking as well as multiprocessing. Both are different. So multitasking means, for example, our browser is doing a lot of work. Main basic thing, we need operating system. Without OS, you can't do any functions in this computer. So main who is controlling this operating system is CPU. So already we studied CPU is the brain of computer. So CPU means the central processing unit. It controls the operating system. The operating system provides a lot of processes to do the services. For example, I tell the packages. So packages means already they developed everything. So if you install the software, you can just do it whatever you need. Best example, MS Microsoft, for example, Excel. Excel is the one of the packages, and VLC, which means video player. So we are using in this computer all the times we are hearing music. So for which software you are using means VLC. So for example, I say nowadays a lot of audio and video softwares are available in our computer. So this is one of the package, and another package is Excel. So this processes is going to do perform their tasks with the help of operating system. So who controls means CPU controls. So this is the multitasking. And next one is multiprocessing. Multiprocessing means we are going to store a lot of information in the computer memory. So before you are going to store all the information permanently, no, it's not responsible. It's not a possible. Permanently we can store. Before it should go to the temporary memory. So temporary memory we call it as cache memory. So register means you are going to store some information. So automatically it goes to the cache memory, that is temporary memory, and then finally it goes to the main memory, that is permanent memory. Okay, so later we will see how many memories are in computer. Okay, so primary memory and then cache memory. Then next basic thing is, what is computer means. Computer means we are the end user. So I am the end user. I am going to do some work in the electronic device. So before I need applications, which means predefined package module. So they given all the packages to you in your system. So just you are opening and you are enter some commands or some doing work. For example, drawing and then painting, calculations, everything you can do according to your wish. And then main thing is who is control this thing. Software means operating system. So operating system is in hardware. So basic components of computer is, one is software, another one is hardware. So both combinations of hardware and software, which gives a lot of uses to the user. Okay, and next thing, operating system examples we can say, you can see here Microsoft, Apple, Mac OS, Linux, and Windows servers. So these are operating system. Okay, so operating system is the main thing in computer process or multitasking. And next, how many units measurement in computer's memory? Example, we can hear that word bit, bytes. Okay, so bit means binary digit. Already I said zeros and ones. So one byte means how many bits? 8 bits. So 8 bits is equal to one byte. And then they developed up to 1 geobyte. Okay, so right now we are using gigabyte, megabyte, betabyte. um, right now they developed in the pen drive, so okay, that is a storage purpose. And later they will launch exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, brontobyte, geobyte. Okay, and next, how many bytes means kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, betabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, and geobyte. The next last thing is parts of computer. So in this machine means how many parts are available in this computer. You can see monitor, speaker, motherboard, processor. Then motherboard and processor, it's a very common thing for all the electronic devices. Without motherboard we can't do it, without processor we can't do any processors, okay, in this electronic device. And output devices, we can see mouse. CPU is the control unit, and then printer for your output unit, and hardware, that is the memory, and RAM is one of the primary memory, and computer case means that is a server board, and SSD is means storage card, okay, and speaker for your output devices. So these are the common parts of our computer. So right now we learn about basics of computer, and then we can see one by one. It's a very interesting to learn and to know about information in the computer science as well as engineering. So all the departments are very same to see and to learn. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye, Franji.